Could Nvidia's dominance in the AI market crumble overnight? A Chinese AI company, DeepSeek, claims to have created a game-changing language model for just $6 million, a fraction of what US tech giants spend. If true, this could drastically reduce demand for Nvidia's high-end GPUs and send shockwaves through the AI and tech industries. But can we trust these claims? What does it mean for Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, and other major players? Stay tuned, because this story could reshape the future of AI and your portfolio. The shocking DeepSeek story. Let's start with the facts. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, claims to have developed its language model, R1, in just 2 months with $6 million. This model reportedly runs on Nvidia's older H800 GPUs, not the cutting-edge H100s that are driving the AI revolution. For comparison, Microsoft recently announced $80 billion in capital expenditures for AI infrastructure in fiscal 2025, and Meta committed $65 billion for the same purpose. These numbers show just how shocking DeepSeek's claims are. If they've truly achieved such efficiency, it raises questions. Are US tech companies wasting billions, or is DeepSeek exaggerating its success? Here's where it gets more interesting. DeepSeek's model, R1, is open source, meaning anyone can use it. This could accelerate AI adoption globally, but also disrupt the business models of companies like OpenAI, which charges for access to its proprietary GPT models. Skepticism around DeepSeek's claims. But before we jump to conclusions, let's look at the skepticism surrounding DeepSeek. First, they claim to have used 2048 H800 GPUs for their training. These are older Nvidia GPUs with half the performance of the H100. But according to experts like Dylan Patel of SemiAnalysis, DeepSeek likely has access to over 50,000 H100 GPUs, despite US export bans. How? Many suspect they've acquired them through black market channels or cloud providers that overlooked US regulations. To add to the doubts, even DeepSeek's white paper admits that their $6 million cost doesn't include research and development expenses like algorithm testing and architecture design. So what's the real number? Probably much higher. There's also a geopolitical angle here. China has strong incentives to overstate its AI capabilities to challenge US dominance. If their claims are exaggerated, it wouldn't be the first time. Remember, this is about more than technology. It's about global influence and control over the future of AI, how this impacts Nvidia and the AI market. Now, let's talk about Nvidia, the undisputed leader in AI hardware. Nvidia's stock has soared over the past year, driven by the growing demand for its GPUs, especially the H100. These chips are the backbone of AI training models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and other large language models. Nvidia has even reached a staggering market cap nearing $4 trillion. But if DeepSeek's claims are true, it could disrupt this narrative. Why would companies spend billions on Nvidia's H100 GPUs if they can achieve similar results with cheaper, older models? Here's the potential fallout. Short-term risk for Nvidia. Reduced demand for high-end GPUs could hurt Nvidia's growth story, especially since their valuation depends heavily on AI-related sales. Stock volatility. Nvidia's stock could see sharp declines if investors believe the DeepSeek story. Ripple effects. Other semiconductor companies like ASML, Lam Research, and AMD, which supply components or compete in the GPU space, could also be affected. But there's a silver lining. As AI becomes more affordable, it could lead to mass adoption. More startups and smaller companies might enter the AI space, driving demand for GPUs at scale. Nvidia's dominance in software, like its CUDA platform and inference solutions, positions it well to benefit from this shift. Remember, efficiency in tech often leads to higher overall demand. The broader market impact. This isn't just about Nvidia. Other major players like Microsoft, Google, Meta, and Amazon could also face scrutiny. These companies are pouring billions into AI development. For example, Microsoft's $80 billion in CapEx includes investments in Azure, their cloud computing platform that powers AI workloads. Meta's $65 billion is focused on AI infrastructure for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. If DeepSeek's efficiency claims are true, analysts will start asking tough questions. Are these companies overspending on AI development? Could they cut costs and still compete? This uncertainty could lead to increased volatility for these stocks. But here's the twist. If AI becomes cheaper, it could unlock new use cases. Think about autonomous driving, warehouse robotics, and even healthcare AI. These advancements would create new revenue streams for companies like Tesla, Alphabet, and Nvidia. What to watch for? Here's what investors need to keep an eye on. Upcoming earnings reports. This week, major players like Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla are reporting earnings. Analysts are likely to press these companies on their AI spending and thoughts on DeepSeek. This could provide valuable clues about how the industry views these claims. Regulatory updates. The Biden administration recently introduced new export rules targeting AI diffusion technologies. These aim to close loopholes that allowed companies like DeepSeek to access US-made GPUs indirectly. If these regulations tighten further, it could limit China's AI ambitions. Actionable takeaways for investors. So, what should you do as an investor? Here's the play. Watch for overreaction. If Nvidia's stock dips sharply due to DeepSeek fears, consider it a buying opportunity. Long-term, Nvidia's ecosystem is still unmatched. Diversify in AI. Beyond Nvidia, consider exposure to other AI-focused companies like Microsoft, Google, or even Tesla, which are innovating in different parts of the AI landscape. Stay informed. The AI industry is in its infancy, and volatility is the name of the game. Keep an eye on earnings reports, regulatory changes, and global developments. Here's the bottom line. DeepSeek's story has captured headlines, but there are still more questions than answers. Is this a real breakthrough or just geopolitical posturing? Either way, the implications for Nvidia, AI stocks, and the broader tech market are enormous. This is a moment of uncertainty and opportunity. As AI evolves, the market will see boom and bust cycles. Those who stay informed and act decisively will be the ones who benefit most. What do you think? Is DeepSeek a legitimate threat to Nvidia, or just another overhyped story? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.